Hi friends, this is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu welcomes you to Green Coach. Green Coach offers online tutorial for various horticulture subjects. Today we are dealing about entomology and today's topic is Entamo pathogenic virus. Let's start our today's class. Entamo pathogenic virus. The word entamo means insect, pathogenic means disease causing, virus means an entity. Virus which cause diseases to the entomos means the insects are called entomopathogenic virus. Today we are not discussing about the mechanism, just we are discussing about the classification of entomopathogenic virus. Virus is an acellular entity. Virus is an acellular entity means it does not have its own cellular machinery. It attacks the living host and takes charge of the host living machinery. It does not have its own cellular machinery. Hence it attacks the host cell and take charge over the host cellular machinery. It controls the host cellular mechanism. The host cell starts producing the viral DNA or RNA. Virus is an acellular entity. It does not have its own cell or cellular machinery. Hence it attacks the host cell and take charge over the host cellular machinery. The host cell starts producing the viral DNA or RNA. What do you mean by virus? It is a nucleic acid enclosed in a protein capsule. Virus is a nucleic acid enclosed in a protein capsule. Let's see the classification of virus. Viruses are of two types, inclusion virus and non-inclusion virus. Viruses are of two types. They are inclusion virus and non-inclusion virus. Inclusion virus produces the inclusion bodies. Non-inclusion virus does not produce the inclusion bodies. Inclusion virus produces the inclusion bodies. Non-inclusion viruses does not form the non-inclusion bodies. Inclusion viruses are of two types, polyhedrovirus, granular virus. Polyhedrovirus and granular virus. If they are in the shape of polyhedral, they are called polyhedral viruses. If they are in the shape of the granules, they are called granular viruses. Polyhedral viruses are of two types, nuclear polyhedral viruses, cytoplasmic polyhedral viruses. Nuclear polyhedral viruses, cytoplasmic polyhedral viruses. Viruses are of two types, inclusion virus, non-inclusion virus. Viruses which form inclusion body are called inclusion virus, which do not form inclusion body are called non-inclusion virus. Inclusion virus are of two types, polyhedral virus, granular virus. Polyhedral virus means they are in polyhedral shape. Granular virus means they are in the shape of granules. Polyhedral virus are of two types, nuclear polyhedral viruses, cellular polyhedral viruses. They belong to the family Bacterioviridae. They enter to the host through the passive openings, means natural openings called mouth. Hence they are called as parose. They enter into the host body through the natural opening called the mouth. They are the passive organisms, hence they are called as parose. Virus embedded in crystals are called occlusion bodies, which are resistant to adverse climatic conditions, which are similar to the spores of bacteria and cyst of bacteria. Under unfavorable conditions, the bacteria will form the cyst. In the same way, the virus will form the occlusion bodies. Means the virus embedded in the protein crystal is called occlusion body. It is resistant to adverse climatic conditions. Let's have the summary. Entomopathogenic virus, the virus which cause diseases to the insects are called the entomopathogenic virus. The virus is the acellular entity. It does not have its own cellular machinery. It attacks the host cell and takes charge of the host cellular machinery. The host cell produces the viral DNA or RNA. What do you mean by virus? It is an acellular entity, means the nucleic acid enclosed in a protein capsule. Viruses are of two types, inclusion virus, non-inclusion virus. Inclusion virus means they form the inclusion bodies. Non-inclusion viruses does not form the inclusion bodies. Inclusion viruses are of two types, polyhedral inclusion viruses and the granular inclusion viruses. Polyhedral inclusion viruses are in polyhedral shape, granular viruses are in granule shape. Polyhedral viruses are of two types, nuclear polyhedral virus and cytoplasmic polyhedral virus. This is the classification. They belong to the family Bacterioviridae. They enter the host body through the passive openings. They are the passive organisms, means mouth, hence they are called parose. Virus embedded in protein crystals are called occlusion bodies, which are resistant to adverse climatic conditions. That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching Green Coach videos. Please like and subscribe our channel and share maximum, guys. Thanks for your love and support. If you want to give us any suggestions or any requests from you, please comment them in the comment section. We will update you soon with another video. Thanks for following Green Coach classes. This is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu signing off for today. Thank you guys and share maximum. We love you.